and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to print a Precious Memories full bleed trifold. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side, our layout in the drop-down, and in order to get the dimensions needed to print this product, we will go into the Print Info button. This will list all of the changes needed to be made in your printer preferences, and if you're in need of more visual assistance, please watch the how-to videos listed here. We'll hit OK, and now we'll be able to hit print and generate our PDF file. If you've not already set up your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. Now that our PDF file has generated, we'll want to check the front and back to be sure that everything is loaded correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, we'll go to File, Print, and begin to change our printer preferences. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we can change the number of copies that we want to print at one time. From there, we'll make sure that all pages are selected, actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, print on both sides of paper by flipping on the short edge because it is landscape. Here we'll make sure that both the document size and the paper size are listed at the same width and height. From there, we're going to go into the advanced properties. Next, we'll go underneath document size and change the paper size to those that were listed before, the 8.5 by 14. Orientation will still be landscape. We'll change this to color. Next, if you have a specific tray that you use when printing, you'll change it to that one here. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Paper type will always be at least thick 1 to ensure that all ink will stick to the paper. Next, we'll go into the detailed settings and be sure that a couple of our changes that we made before are matching on this screen. Landscape, color, document size is 8.5 by 14. And we'll make sure that the reduce and enlarge is set to off. Next, we'll go to paper and be sure that these also match our previous choices. Next, in edit, you'll make sure that the two-sided is always set to short edge bind. From here, you can register your current settings by naming the preferences here and hitting OK. We'll hit OK, and now we're ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.